Today we're going to look at how to determine the expected value given the experimental data and then use that information in a chi-square test. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is input your data into an Excel spreadsheet like shown here. After that, we want to make sure that all the rows and columns are clearly labeled so that people will know what we are talking about. After you've entered your data, you want to have a column and row for the totals. So this is going to be all the row totals and then all your column totals down here. Since this has already been done for us, we are ready to calculate the expected values. We will do this by taking the value of the row total and multiplying it by the column total and then dividing it by the total. So you want to first click on the box that you want to enter the number in, hit the equal sign so that they know it's going to be an equation, followed by parentheses. And then you just simply click on the cell that you want to get your information from. So here we said that we want to take the row total, so we're going to click right there, multiply it by the column total. Click that, do multiply, then click on the column total, go ahead and end your parentheses, and then divide that by the total, and then hit enter, and there's your number. And the simplest way to do after that, we want to be able to carry it across, but before we can do that, we just have to put in dollar signs because we don't want the row total to change, so that's what the dollar sign's going to do there. And we also don't want the total to change, so we put another dollar sign right there, hit enter, click on this box, and then you can simply drag it across. There we go. We aren't going to be able to drag the equation down, however, so to get the next one, we simply click on this box again, hit our equals parentheses, and now we're going to go down, line up your data, so this says Asian American, so we're going to go up to the Asian American row, hit that, multiply it by the column total again, end your parentheses, divide by total. Before we can drag, let's go ahead put our dollar signs in to the E4 and then E7. Hit enter, go down here, click on it at the little bottom, drag it across, and there's your totals. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and then we will talk about how to do the chi-square test. So as you can see, I went ahead and finished completing the chart, and now we have all the expected values and are ready to calculate the chi-square test. To do this, we're going to come down here, click on the cell that we wanted to enter in, go up here, type equal, and then they already have a function for the chi-square test, so if you just go to chi-test, and then there it is, followed by parentheses, and then we want to highlight all of the data from the actual experiment. So we want to include all the numbers except for the totals, just the actual data. That, hit enter, and then follow it with a comma, and then highlight all our data from what we just got, the expected values. Close it with the parentheses, enter. Now this number